Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer XRP from Binance to Phantom in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to move your assets securely, this guide will get you up and running in no time. XRP is a fast and efficient cryptocurrency, and transferring it between exchanges like Binance and wallets like Phantom is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need a verified Binance account with some XRP in your wallet, and the Phantom wallet app installed on your device. If you don't have Phantom yet, download it from the App Store and create or import your wallet. This is crucial because Phantom is a secure way to store your crypto outside of exchanges. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Binance account on the website or app. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding to view your assets. Find your XRP balance there. Step 2. Go to the withdrawal page by clicking on Withdraw next to XRP. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your Phantom wallet address. To get that, open your Phantom app, select XRP, and copy the address. Make sure it's for the XRP network, as crypto addresses can be network specific. Step 3. Back on Binance, paste the Phantom address into the withdrawal form. Double-check it to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. That's a common mistake. Set the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees. XRP transfers are usually quick and cheap, but fees can vary. Step 4. Review and confirm the withdrawal. Binance will send a confirmation email or require 2FA, always use it for security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. Now, switch to your Phantom app. Step 5. Wait for the funds to appear. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. In 2025, with ongoing updates to blockchain tech, these transfers are even faster and more secure. A quick word of caution: always use the official apps and verify addresses to prevent scams. Also, be aware of any regulatory changes in your region that might affect XRP transfers. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.